The Volt G5 Infiniti LED spotlight is built for durability, flexibility, and stunning illumination. Crafted from solid brass, this fixture will stand the test of time. Its replaceable LED module delivers adjustable white temperatures and precise dimming control. It comes with a 60-degree lens pre-installed for wide coverage, and an additional 38-degree lens for focused lighting applications. Easily control brightness, color temperature, and zones with the Volt RF remote control, sold separately. The fully adjustable glare guard and knuckle provide precision control, while a generous 25-foot lead ensures hassle-free installation. With an IP67 rating and a heavy-duty hammer stake included, it's built to perform in any outdoor environment, perfect for uplighting trees, walls, and architectural features. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the G5 Infiniti Spotlight is your go-to for dynamic, professional-grade landscape lighting.